Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a midweek video today. We have Walgreens and Meijer. Lots of really new 70% off cheapy stuff, and we're going to investigate it at both stores, and lots of great deals ongoing. First thing this morning, we got some new boosters. So go into your digital coupons folder. These should be at the top. Always do your mileage may vary. I got a 5 back when you spend 15, and then I think a 10 back when you spend 40, and then the 5 when you buy 3 dental care products. So go and load these two. They don't start until the 15th of March. That's why it says available in 4 days. Now, if you remember last week, we were talking about feminine care, and a lot of this was on clearance. If you happen to track down any of the Tampax compact, has to be compact, can't be radiant. IBOTTA has a rebate, so if you still have your receipt, a week post, you can apply for that $3 back. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about are these Tates in the pink packaging. It's called White Chocolate Raspberry Cookies. They sound absolutely delicious. Original price point was like $7 and some change, and now it's down to $2.29. 70% off. I know there's an IBOTTA rebate, but it's on very specific cookies. I'm not sure if this is part of it. It might make it a little bit cheaper, so obviously scan that UPC when you're in the store. But if you are on the hunt for some cheap cookies for Easter, this might be it. Now, this is the deal I think everybody should be doing this week to get these razors for 94 cents. We have a $5 off and a $4 off Gillette and Venus coupon, and these are off of the disposables. The promotion is when you spend 15, you get back a $5 register reward, and these are the two where the coupons are attaching. It has to be very specific razors. We have the Blossom and the Gillette Mach 3 Sensitive, so a little triple pack, and those look like really nice razors too. Again, just to give you some better visuals, here are the two coupons that you load. I think one of them is an only for you, but if you do similar deals to you probably have them as well. And then just to show you the receipt, now I used a $2 register reward from something I bought last week. I don't even remember. So that's how I got my total a lot less. But yours might be $2 more, but it shakes it out to 94 cents after you get your register reward. So just remember that, but not a bad little deal. And just to show you the register reward. And here is the register reward. Now, for the Scott deal this week, we have very good coupons to go with the Scott toilet paper and paper towel. For whatever dumb reason, the paper towel at like every store is gone. I don't know. It's selling like hotcakes. Or their truck isn't stocking a lot up here. But we have this, which is new. Hopefully some will show up in my area before these coupons expire. But we have a 2 off of 2 for the toilet paper and a 2 off of 2 for the paper towel, and a $1.25 store coupon as well. Just to show you guys this, 2 of those toilet papers will be 10. Subtracting that $1.25 store coupon, when you scan the barcode in store, it should populate for you along with that 2 off of 2 that I just showed you in the slide previous. You're paying $5.50 for the 2. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Just a simple, easy deal for some cheap toilet paper. Venus deal and this deal, because it's involving register rewards for the balance, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the last one. For this one, we're grabbing an Intuition razor and an Intuition refill cartridge for $14.99. And we have some very generous coupons, $5 off of 1. Alternatively, you could get the Hydro Silk refills, which is also a great razor, or the Hydro Silk razor if you wish. But that's $8 with the 5 and the 3. Grabbing one of each, a refill and a razor, it's $24.98. Subtracting 8, you're going to pay $16.98. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That shaving deal that we did with the disposable razors, if you wanted to throw that register reward into this, because it's shaving needs, hey, that should work. For just a lot cheaper balance, why not? And this is another great deal this week. Buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens brand sandwich bags. Now, something online that I saw, but I didn't see in store, is that there is this, it doesn't have a seal on it. It's just the really, like the 1980s foldable bags that are the 150 count. It says it's part of it if you do a curbside pickup, and it's a value size, which isn't usually the 20 that we get for this promotion. It makes it 93 cents per box of 150. That's a heck of a deal, even for like little storage things around your house. So if you wanted to do this deal curbside, I think it's some sort of an error. So I would definitely get 3 and make a deal happen. The Walgreens medium and small trash bags are on a buy one get 2 for free, so it basically makes it $1.66 per box of 18, 30, or I think there's one for 20, but I don't see it. But these bags are not bad, especially if you have little pets and you might need these for walks or for litter boxes. Not a bad little deal. Another deal I absolutely heart this week is the 4 for 10 on these Febreze fabric sprays. This is a fabric spray. We don't really ever see this at this price point for $2.50 a unit. So definitely stock up, guys. So the next deal that we're looking at is a 7 back when you spend $25. It's a digital booster. If you might have a paper booster to pair with it, possibly a freebie for you. Into this cart is 2 of the Tresemes and 3 of the Pantenes. It's just a heavier deal with shampoo. All of these shampoos are under promotion that when you spend $25, you're getting back a $10 register reward, and it's just an opportunity to get a little something back. These are all considered beauty products, so there is the promotion. Load the following digital coupons: the 4 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the 5 off of 3 for the Pantene. And if you haven't been getting any digital boosters, I recommend to go get a little photo print for 12 cents. Punch in your phone number when you do the checkout, and maybe a paper booster might print for you. So grabbing 2 of the Tresemes BOGO 50% off for $12.73 and 3 of the Pantenes for $16.47. Our total is $29.20. Your booster is obviously loaded. You have $9 in digitals melting off, 5 for Pantene and 4 for Tresemme. With your debit card, you're paying $20.20 plus tax, getting back a $10 register reward plus $7 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.20 for the 5 or 64 cents per shampoo. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but alternatively, if you might have register rewards, say from other deals, you obviously can use them to get a lesser out of pocket, as long as it's not another $10 register reward from a different beauty deal. Store that we have is Meijer, which is a Midwest only grocery store. You probably know if you have it or not. There is this new product. They are sugar-free Oreos. I know both Fetch and Shopkick has rebates. Double, triple check if your Shopkick account has a rebate for this. Mine did not. They are 2 for $8 for these bags, and they're all single wrapped as well. So if you're going to throw them into a lunch, they're absolutely perfect. IBOTTA is giving back $1 back for each bag of these. So 2 for $8, subtracting the $2, whatever your Shopkick might have as well. It makes it a not bad deal. So just with IBOTTA alone, it's going to be 6 for $2 or $3 per bag. And if you might have something on your Shopkick, it's a much better deal. Unfortunately, I did not, so I couldn't partake in that. But $3 for these, if you just, use it for like lunch or whatever, not a bad little thing. And they're actually a really good cookie. Okay, so this morning we got this, which is a 15 off of 50. And if you look in that little mirror of pictures, you have a lot of Huggies and Scott. So I just made a basket, grabbing this and grabbing that. If you don't like what I'm picking out, you can always change it around, but make sure you get $50. So the first item I grabbed was 4 of these 3 counts of the Huggies wipes. You can use this for a multitude of, everything from having it in your car to taking care of your babies. And we have a $2 off of each, so $8 will be melting off. I also recommend, guys, to open up your shop and scan when you're in the store to make sure that everything's coming off and you don't end up with a giant surprise at checkout. But you can see these 2 attaching to the right product. We have this Cottonelle 12 mega for $12.99, and we have another dollar digital attaching to that. And then we're going to grab one of these Scott's 1000, a harder product to find in my store. It's always cleared out. And we have another dollar manufacturer for this product as well. And obviously with the shop and scan, you can change around if you want to grab something different or, something else you'd like if you don't like my basket. Load this dollar for the Cottonelle and then this dollar for the Scott's 1000. The overall total is 54.64. And I just did this all through my phone, $25 melting off. So the total is $29.14. I think it's like roughly $4.85 per product. Not bad. And it's just something that I whipped together. If you want to try to do something different with the other products in store, definitely that shop and scan. There's Kotex, there's Huggies, there's Scott, Viva, a whole bunch that you can just mix and match, get to 50. That 15 off of 50 is really the frosting on the cake that makes these deals so great. That's it for this video. Have an awesome Wednesday, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.